Rohan was not lazy, but he had one big problem. He never finished anything. Every morning he promised himself, "Today I will study English." And every night he said, "Tomorrow pakka." Tomorrow never came. One day Rohan met an old man at a tea stall. The man was calm, smiling and confident. Rohan asked, "Uncle, how are you so disciplined?" The old man laughed and said, "I am not disciplined, I am smart." Rohan got confused. The old man said, "Let me tell you a story." The old man's story. There was a boy who wanted to become strong. He joined a gym. On the first day, he worked out for 2 hours. Next day, his body was in pain. On the third day, he quit. Another boy joined the same gym. He worked out for only 10 minutes every day. No excuses, no breaks. After 1 year, guess who was stronger? Rohan answered, "The second boy." The old man smiled. The rule. The old man said, "This is the 10-minute rule. Do the work for just 10 minutes. No more, no less. If you feel like stopping after 10 minutes, stop. But don't skip the 10 minutes. Rohan said, "Only 10 minutes? That's too easy." The old man replied, "That's why it works." Rohan tries it. That night, Rohan decided to try. He opened an English video. He said to himself, "Only 10 minutes." After 10 minutes, something strange happened. He didn't want to stop. He continued for 25 minutes. Next day, again 10 minutes. Again he crossed 20 minutes. After 30 days, Rohan was speaking better English. Not perfect, but confident. The truth. Rohan went back to the tea stall and said, "Uncle, this rule changed my life." The old man said one last thing. Motivation is fake. Discipline is painful. Systems are powerful. Don't try to change your life in 1 day. Change 10 minutes. Rohan understood one thing. You don't fail because you are weak. You fail because you try too much and quit. Start small. Stay consistent. Results will follow.